coconut, peanut or groundnut,
chickpeas,
green chili, raw salt, tamarind. Today we are going to see rich protein booster chutney ingredients. My dear foreigners, please watch carefully. This program is specially sponsored by our GEMC network through Poun Foods to you. Okay. Now first one is coconut, country coconut. Second one is peanut or groundnut. Third one is chickpeas. This type of chickpeas, that means country chickpeas only use. This is green chili, country green chili. This is raw salt, that means sea salt without added any artificial chemicals. This is tamarind, country tamarind. Our side available country tamarind contain more medical benefits. So these ingredients all used to prepare rich protein chutney for ladies' health, especially knee pain, joint pain and calcium deficiency and thyroid deficiency. To recover this type of chutneys you will use. Okay, this is our home remedies tips. Hereafter many programs coming with this type of cooking tips and health tips. Okay, please support, my dear foreigners. In future I will speak English fluently. Okay, please be patient now. Okay, now I am starting to learning English, how to speak fluently. Okay, now English is not my mother tongue. My mother tongue is Tamil. Okay, I can speak Tamil fluently, but English today not possible. Okay, tomorrow it's can. Okay, now we are going to see once again close look. Okay, peanut, coconut, chickpeas, green chili, raw salt, tamarind. Okay, and finally we are going to add getting full medicinal benefit. This is our special ingredients. Now we don't want to tell what this is. Okay, our Poun Food subscribers and GEMC family members personally contact to us. We will tell you what the ingredients is, which members, that means who are added these ingredients for making food medicine. Okay, this is our 13 years research benefits. Okay, please note it. This is our 13 years research benefit. Okay, my dear foreigners, please understand. Now added these ingredients also little bit. That is called ஒரு சிட்டிகை. Okay, that is called ஒரு சிட்டிகை. Okay, now what you can, that means you have a mixer grinder. Which type do you have? Please blend it and make the chutney. Weekly twice you must eat. Okay, now we are going to prepare. Okay, next program we will show how to make this chutney in our traditional cooking tools. Now Poun Amma is demo to you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click bell symbol for this type of food medicine making. That means homemade food medicine making tips and tricks. Okay, this is our Poun Amma cooking channel. This program is sponsored by our GemC Networks. I am Guru, founder and CEO of GemC Networks, Chief News Editor of GemC CC News, Chief Cook of GemC Poun Foods, Chief Trainer of GemC Workout and Healthy Diet Tips. Join with nature, joy with the future. Thank you. Goodbye.